docking module, and it is clear. As you can see, we have separation.
Soyuz TMA-17 now backing away from the International Space Station. The two vehicles 215 miles above Mongolia. Expedition 23 now comes to a close. Expedition 24 on board the station now begins.
No issues, smooth departure. In 1 minute, selection of depot. Bye-bye station.
ОДР выдадут по КРЛ.
ODR via command link. Oleg, copy that.
Красивый вид.
Beautiful view.
И тот самый пресловутый прогрев.
Moscow is inaudible.
Да.
The Soyuz TMA-17 continuing to increase its distance between itself and the International Space Station. Oleg Kotov, TJ Creamer, and Soichi Noguchi now on their way home.
40 секунд до включения.
They will land back on Earth there in Kazakhstan coming up in 3 hours and 17 minutes. Here shortly, Oleg Kotov, who is serving as the commander of the Soyuz, will command the engines to burn to conduct the first separation maneuver that will increase the distance between the Soyuz and the orbiting complex. That burn will last for 15 seconds.
Depot activation nominal. Copy that.
The team here in Houston confirming that the separation burn is now underway. This again will last for 15 seconds. The rate will be 0.65 meters per second.
Completion of depot activity.
That burn is now complete. At this point, the Soyuz will continue to back away from the station and will begin to drop below it. The crew on board, which now includes Expedition 24 Commander Alexander Skvortsov, Tracy Caldwell-Dyson, and Mikhail Kornienko, will get a good view of their former colleagues as they drift down below the station, in between the station and the Earth. So they'll be watching from the Russian segment and also the cupola itself.
ODR confirming. No final operations. How about Cheka? SSVP deactivation.
ССВП отключено.
SSVP is off.
ЗРП вводить или вы введете?
SRP is done by you. We have it already.
Да.
Confirming.
This is Mission Control Houston. The Soyuz TMA-17 now beginning to eclipse the moon as Oleg Kotov, TJ Creamer, and Soichi Noguchi continue to back away from their home for the past 6 months. They completed 163 days aboard the International Space Station.
Pulsars, how about checking route?
Kotov now has 360 days in space on his 2 missions. TJ Creamer now has 163 days in space. And Soichi Noguchi now has 177 days.
Command to be issued. Stand by.
153.
153. Copy.
По вашей команде заключительная операция.
On you go to final operations.
Да?
How about F-17?
Получаете вы?
Did you issue that? Yes. How about check? Do you get the picture?
153.
Not yet. 153 at this time. Copy. Deactivation
ТМА-17.
G4 is the next command being issued. Alex, you can
Хорошо, работаем по...
use the push to talk button at this time.
Хотел бы это... ЗРП и ОДР выдали.
SRP and ODR will be issued by the ground, right?
Уже выдали.
It's already issued. At 3:25.
A very striking view there of the Soyuz TMA-17 and the moon and the upper parts of the Earth's atmosphere as the Soyuz and the station traveled 217 miles just to the northeast of Japan, about to head out over the Pacific Ocean.
Copy.
In a little more than 2 hours and 20 minutes, Soyuz will complete its deorbit burn. That will slow the speed of that spacecraft by 258 miles per hour. That will be enough to drop it out of orbit to bring it back home.
I'm writing everything down. 428.
Да, 196, топливо 592.
592 is propellant at this time. Copy that.
Впервые отключен.
Deactivated. Inaudible. Be ready for descent by the next compass. Perform all preparation. Page 90 at 3:25:00. Do not forget about the accelerometer. Are you leaving us? There's nowhere for us to go. We'll be sitting here, all alert.
Хорошо.
Very good.
Тогда не забудьте про акселерометр, пожалуйста.
Okay. Then you will remember about the accelerometer yourself, right? We'll do our best.
Alex, do we need it? Да, you need it maybe later. Да, кстати.
Sasha, let's have no, as soon as I give it to you. And we have the data now. The atmospheric pressure in the landing spot is 734.
Хорошо, сейчас я вижу. Стоите, да.
All right, thank you.
СП.
The Soyuz TMA-17 continuing to pass down below the International Space Station. It is steadily moving more directly below the station itself. Right now it's down off the back end of the station, the Russian segment.
Yes.
In about 8 minutes, it will be directly down below the centermost portion of the International Space Station. The crew members on board getting a good view of their former colleagues as they begin the journey back home.